Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Zix step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cybersecurity posture. Identify the vulnerabilities in your existing systems and processes. Research the specific cybersecurity challenges faced by your organization. Familiarize yourself with Zix's suite of cybersecurity solutions. Start with Zix email encryption to protect sensitive communications. Set up Zix email encryption by integrating it with your email service. Configure policies that dictate which emails should be encrypted. Train your team on the importance of email security. Next, implement Zix data loss prevention. Evaluate your data handling practices to identify risk areas. Configure rules to monitor and block unauthorized data transmissions. Utilize Zix's secure file sharing capabilities for sensitive documents. Integrate these secure sharing methods with your daily workflows. Monitor usage and compliance regularly using Zix's reporting tools. Consider Zix's email threat protection to guard against phishing attacks. Set up real-time threat detection filters to minimize risks. Educate your staff about identifying and reporting suspicious emails. Periodically review and adjust your cybersecurity policies as needed. Schedule regular training sessions to keep cybersecurity awareness high. Use Zix's customer support for ongoing questions and assistance. Stay updated on the latest cybersecurity threats and trends. Incorporate user feedback to continuously improve your cybersecurity measures. Regularly audit your cybersecurity tools and their effectiveness. Finally, celebrate successes in your cybersecurity initiatives with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.